I've been waiting for this all day and I'm so excited. First time we're going to be setting up a front shot and an overhead view as well. So let's see how this goes. We're going to see if I can just rip through all of this and let's see what we got. So yeah, tearing that open, and we've got a nice Samsung package here. Oh yeah. So we'll punch that down there. Galaxy S9 Plus, and we have the Galaxy S9 here. Some random receipts and stuff. So Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus along the right hand side, and completely side by side here. Very minimalistic packaging here. As you can see, European SIM card only. You got the specs across the back. We already know what these are, so let's get to open these up and let's see if I can just score these. So yeah, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Okay, so let's begin with the Galaxy S9. We'll slide this out the way here. Along my left, we've got the S9 Plus, and if I can shimmy that out of the way, both of these, don't know if you saw there on the boxes, 128 gig for the S9 Plus and 64 gig for the Galaxy S9. We need to open up the seals here, so we'll go with the S9 again and then the S9 Plus. Oh, nearly cut myself there. So here we go, magnetic along the outside here, box just opens up, and we'll do the same for the S9 Plus. Oops. Hopefully I've got both of those in frame. Notice along the inside of the box it's a bluish colour. Now these are both coral blue Galaxy S9, so I'm wondering if you've got any of the other colours, are the inside of the boxes also colour coded? But beginning with the S9 here and some of the reading material, quick start guide in there. You've got the pin tray here, the pin to remove the SIM card tray along that side, standard stuff really, and it's going to be the same for the Galaxy S9 Plus, quick start guide and the SIM card tray eject tool. Now for the daddies themselves. You've got the Galaxy S9 here, and let's take a look at the back, and it's, yeah, coral blue here. This is a little bit darker than the coral blue that I had with the Galaxy Note 7, so this is going to be interesting here, so leave that to one side. Again, the Galaxy S9 here, again coral blue, as you can see, side by side, so dual SIM cards here. I'll have a look at those in just 1 second. So out the box here, both of these are going to be exactly the same. So you got the same 3-pin UK power adapter. They are, as it states there, adaptive fast charging across both. The USB connector with both of these. So you've got USB Type-C across one side with a standard USB Type-A connector across the other side. So you can use this to move data between the old device and your new device if you've got USB Type-C on your old handset. So we'll drop that down, and they've also included in here a USB Type-C connector to micro USB again, so you can move from your old device to your new device. I like the way they incorporate these little connectors just to make it a little bit easier. Silicone ear tips. You've got a USB Type-A connector to a USB-C connector there, and these are the Akg Tuned Earbuds. Now these look really, really nice, to be honest, so let's take a look at these. Got some braided cables further down here. They're kind of like a silicone finish towards the top. Inline controls there with the microphone, braided down here with a 3.5mm audio jack. Same goes for the S9 Plus. You've got the same USB Type-A to USB-C connector, some more earbuds, and you've got the Akg Tuned Earbuds. Listen very carefully now. So here we go, the Galaxy S9, 64GB, 5.8-inch screen. Now, as I say, I thought this would be more of a lighter coloured coral blue, but it seems to be pretty dark, and hopefully the camera's picking up on this as the light's reflecting on it. You've got the power button across the right hand side there. You've got a microphone towards the top, the SIM card tray along the top here, which also has the micro SD card tray inside there as well. You've got the volume up and down buttons. These are very clickety clackety. And you've got the Bixby button down here as well. Nothing further down. Across the bottom, you've got the 3.5mm audio jack. Yes, that's still here. Micro USB connector, secondary microphone, and the speaker slot along the right hand side. You'd be mistaken for thinking this is a port, but this is actually the speaker. Ooh. On the back here, you've got the single camera, which is a 12 megapixel shooter with an f-stop of 1.5 to 2.4. Obviously OIS stabilized, LED flash with dual pixel autofocus. Absolutely awesome. And you'll notice the fingerprint scanner is back where it should belong, underneath the camera. More centralized, more ergonomic. You got the secondary camera on the front here, which is an 8 megapixel shooter with an f-stop of 1.7. To power this thing, there's a 3000 mAh rated battery with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Now, depending on region, you're either going to get a Exynos 9810 octa-core processor or the Snapdragon 845. Listen very, very carefully. This is the essence of the unboxing. The Galaxy S9 begins at 128 gigabytes of storage, whereas the Galaxy S9 began at 64 gigabytes of storage. So you already get more storage out of the box from the Galaxy S9 Plus. The button layout is exactly the same. So power button along the right hand side, you've got a microphone up top, the SIM card tray / SD card tray up top, volume up and down buttons, Bixby button, 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C connector, another microphone, as well as a speaker down here as well. Up top, or round front rather, you've got exactly the same specs. So the front facing camera is a 8 megapixel shooter with an f-stop of 1.7. Now the changes are round back. So with the Galaxy S9 you get one camera, with the Galaxy S9 Plus you get two cameras. So the top camera is a primary camera for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and it's exactly the same as the Galaxy S9. It's a 12 megapixel shooter with a variable aperture of 1.5 to 2.4. Dual pixel autofocus, OIS stabilized, all that good stuff is exactly the same as the regular smaller Galaxy S9. The additional camera lower down here has a telephoto lens, again has a 12 megapixel shooter, but has a fixed aperture at 2.4. And of course you've got the reorganized relocation of that fingerprint sensor towards the bottom of the cameras there, more ergonomic towards the center of the device. Absolutely love it here. This is where it should have been on the Galaxy S8. Those look absolutely stunning. To be honest, I've been using the Pixel for the last few months or so, and the Galaxy S9 Plus doesn't seem like a big device at all. If I just bring in my Pixel here, I've been using this for the last couple of months or so. Again, a 6.2 inch screen, same as the Galaxy S9 Plus here, but for some reason this thing feels a lot bigger in the hand than the Galaxy S9 Plus. That's probably because of the curved edges of the screen here, but yeah, those look absolutely stunning. I'm loving the blue color. There we have it, guys. That's been the double unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus in coral blue. So yeah, if you're new, hit subscribe and hit that little notification bell. Thanks for watching, have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.